Hello, my name is Alan from the Window Repair People, and today we're going to fix this tilt and turn. What's wrong with this window is that the corner drives are broken on it. As you can see, the handle is in lock position, but you can still grab the window and tilt it. Also, it works fine in the open position, or it'll tilt in, but when you go to the open position where it will open sideways, it'll slide in, but it'll also tilt. So what we're doing is we're changing the entire gearing on this. The window handle is gone as well, so I'm not changing up the whole lot. So if you're looking for window repairs anywhere in Munster, you can click on the link below and send me a message. Or if you're just looking for more information, you can go to my website on www.thewindowrepairpeople.ie.
I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here and that's what I adore.
So now our window is fixed. As you can see, it's closed tight and it's operating properly. You see that the top isn't dropping in there now because we've changed the top corner drive, and that's its tilt.